Here we have Pudgy's cheering section. Woohoo, Pudge!
Almost back where we're
So we have Abby and Pudge. Go, Pudgy! Go! Half-winger power! Woohoo! Go, Abby! Go, Pudge, go! Woohoo! Go, Pudgy! Go!
Let him go, Ab! Gotta do the cone. No, she gotta do the cone. Okay. I forgot.
Go, Pudge! Woo! Woo!
Oh my God! That was her best one yet.
Good job!
Good job, Abby. Your time is 31.93.
Like flag race?
Third place, exhibitor number 357.
There's the superstars, Abby and Pudge. Oh, look how cute. You guys are doing so awesome. And here's the proud mama. Look at you gloating. Look at you, you're so cute. I don't know who's cuter.
He loves it.
He's drinking Diet Pepsi. He says, I want a little bit more,
He needs a
please.
sugar fix.
I need a little shot of caffeine. I have one more class.
We had a fight.
I'm just trying to eat
I
pizza.
did. I just had to twist his ear around a little bit.
Pizza, Pudge. Pizza.
Pizza.
What do you think of that pizza? Oh, I think it kind of sucks. I don't know. It tastes kind of funny.
Now you have pizza sauce all over you. Pizza mouth.
Do it some more.
Pudgy, yummy. Yummy. Okay. Back for me.
Pudge has a girlfriend. Who's that, Pudgy? Who's that? Aw, look how cute. He says, you're pretty
She's in
tiny.
heat. Watch out. She might just be going out of it.
No, she's out of heat now.
Look how cute.
I need to call Blake because he's been wanting to see her.
Aw, says I need one. Here comes Abby and Pudge for Ride and Run. We armed her with carrots in her pocket. Every halfling will run for carrots. Are we ready? Woo! Go, Pudge, go!
Come on, Pudgy. Get off behind the barrel. There you go. On your left. Run!
Carrots! Run, Pudge! Run for food! Run! He must not know you have carrots in your pocket. You didn't tell him! Abby, you forgot!
Good job, Abby. Your time's 24.717.
Yay, Pudge gets to take a nap. All right, finally! Nap time!
Huh?
I saw you doing that. I couldn't zoom in time. It was cute.
One of these classes. He said the only way you're going to beat me is if I get disqualified. So